tip up, but in Maine, usually we just call it an ice fishing trap.
Okay.
So, a few adjustments here. We don't want anything too tight because these trout aren't very big. Exactly.
How when you reel, you usually have to know.
Yeah.
Yep, he's doing the same thing. Do you know what the drag is? It's how much force there is in the spool.
It's kind of tight still. It's frozen. What's going on there? Yeah, we'll get started. So, we'll put our bait on here. We can use a minnow, or sometimes we use night crawlers. Depends on the day. Sometimes we like one more than the other, but we'll bait the hook, and then when that's in the water,
That will come up if a fish.
exactly. This is called the flag.
Yep.
And that fish pulls that reel, makes that move over and releases the flag. So it's just as simple as
that. Okay.
And then a lot of times, a big fish, when you get to the hole, you'll see the reel turning, indicating that the fish is taking line away from the hole. These smaller trout, a lot of times you have to try to look and see what the line is doing. It may be off to the side, but not making the reel. Especially this one where it's kind of a stiff reel right now.
So after you get one on, do you want to just pull it out of the water and then just start reeling
Exactly.
on the reel?
Say we get there and the line is off to the side. This is the hole. You can see that the line is going off. You feel the nibble. You need to set the hook, which is just a little pull, right?
A bit like you would with fishing rod.
Just like with raising your rod tip, same idea. And then it's hand over hand until it comes into the hole and right up on the ice.
Yep. And then you try to unhook it like a.
That's right. It would be probably going to be hooked around the mouth somewhere.
Yep.
If it was a worm, it may be in a little bit deeper. But if you want, you can catch me a bait with that net, please. Through the lips.
Do you know what the bait is, buddy?
Yep.
You do?
Yep. It's basically what you use to get the fish.
I mean, do you know what kind of fish those are?
Minnows.
Exactly. So fathead minnow. We're going to go up through both lips. These are hard to.
Because it's so squiggly.
Squiggly.
It's hard because you don't want to.
A little bit slimy.
There you go. On a feeling down. And now you just let them sink in.
That one didn't feel too lively in my hand. We may use a different one.
Yeah. Kind of a smaller one.
Yeah, hook me or catch me a big bait, Miles, if you could.
Is that a decent one right there?
It's a decent one. I bet there's a bigger one, though.
Yeah.
Keep fishing it.
Grab the just like that. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, you got a couple of them there. Yeah.
Where do you go to school, Miles?
Glenberg.
Good. I'm glad you said that. If you told me that you went to Brewer, and here I am helping as much as I am. If you were from Brewer, and since I'm from Bangor, that wouldn't go very well. But Bangor and Glenburn, that's good. So you're a Glenburn Charger? Go to Glenburn Elementary?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yeah,
My wife was a Glenburn Charger. In the old days. She was there a long time ago. All right.
Okay, it shows funny.
So,
checking
the
over.
amount of
What are they stocked with in here?
brook trout is what we're
Brook
fishing for. So these holes behind us, you can see where there's mud on the ice.
Yeah.
The water was not very deep. When the auger or the drill
Hit the ground.
went through the ice, it actually hit the bottom. So there's probably only a few feet of
So you, Miles, right now
water here.
You're fishing for the same trout that we stocked our farm pond with.
Yeah.
So
This is about the same size,
about
but a little bit bigger.
maybe 4 feet under the ice, 3.5 feet under the ice.
Okay, yeah.
Just check that one more time.
This is actually a pretty thick ice.
Yeah, we'll have to use a scoop and try to determine. I'm sure it's 15 inches, something like that. So now this is the part you got to hurry up and wait. You shouldn't be in a hurry to catch a fish because a fish isn't in a hurry to be caught.
Right.
Right. It doesn't want to be caught.
Exactly.